Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I am the Crypto Crow, and some big news. BlackRock. Is there anything that these people do not do? BlackRock is reportedly close to filing its Bitcoin ETF application. Now, if you're new here, you would know that just about every, well, not just about every ETF, exchange traded fund application that has been submitted since the dawn of crypto has been denied. And I think one of the last ones was the Winklevoss twins made a big attempt, and it took forever. And everybody was waiting with bated breath on whether or not this ETF was going to pass through, because ultimately this is an institutional vehicle for investing into Bitcoin in a big way, and nobody has been allowed to do it. And I'm sure that if anyone on planet Earth is going to be able to get approval to launch an ETF application, it will be BlackRock. So now that we know that this is in a play, we're going to cover this article. This is probably going to happen. I would be utterly shocked if some way, shape, or form BlackRock was denied. I don't think BlackRock gets denied from anything that they want to do. I'm pretty sure they control just about every major corporation in the United States, and have major relations with the World Economic Forum and the U.S. government. I mean, folks, just do some digging if you don't know who these folks are. But anyway, $14 trillion in assets under management, I think, is where they're at. It may have gone up since then. I don't know. I don't know how they're quantifying the Ukraine, but I'm sure that's the next thing on their list. And not only that, but if you just look at what's going on in the Ukraine, BlackRock and JP Morgan are both kind of holding hands together as they help rebuild what's going on over there. And we also know that JP Morgan has built its own trading desk, Onyx, which, you know, I've covered on this channel a little bit. The world's largest asset manager may be attempting to succeed where others have failed. I don't know why I think this is kind of funny. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is reportedly on the verge of filing a Bitcoin ETF application, an unknown source has revealed to CoinDesk. CoinDesk reported today that BlackRock intends to use Coinbase custody to secure digital assets and use the exchange's spot market data for pricing. Now, this is interesting because I just recorded a video that's going to come out later today. I figured I'm going to do this one and just put it out there. Normally I would schedule these out, but this news is, we need some good news, and this is pretty much good news. So, but basically talking about what I think the SEC has been doing as it relates to Coinbase and Binance and so forth. The SEC sued Coinbase on June 6 for violating securities laws, including operating as an unregistered exchange. At this stage, it's unclear how the ongoing legal action will impact the ETF filing. You can find out what I think is going to happen in the video today at 3 o'clock. Bitcoin ETF approval has been a contentious issue in the U.S., with SEC having rejected all spot Bitcoin ETF applications to date. However, the regulatory body has given the green light to several Bitcoin futures ETFs, indicating a level of acceptance for crypto-based financial products. I mean, in a perfect world, the SEC wants us to use the Fed now, the CBDCs, and maybe Bitcoin as a digital store of value in addition to gold, and that's it. They don't want anything else. But at the same time, let's be real about it. The SEC and the CFTC both want cryptocurrency to flourish in their own way. They just want to make sure that they have proper jurisdiction over which coins as it relates to which are securities and which are commodities, which I do believe is going to be fleshed out sooner than later. But crypto is actually good for the SEC because it's going to help them pay some bills. The SEC's hesitance to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs has been primarily due to concerns over market manipulation and the lack of oversight in many cryptocurrency exchanges. Another point to Coinbase, why I've basically laid out what I laid out at 3 o'clock, because I think Coinbase is likely able to be trusted, and everybody knows this. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with more than $9 trillion, so it's gone down because I'm pretty sure it used to be 14 trillion in assets under management. As such, its involvement its involvement in the cryptocurrency sector would carry significant weight in the industry. BlackRock did not confirm whether its ETF application was for spot or futures. I'm sure it's probably for spot, if not both. And that's it. I just wanted to put this out there and let everybody know what's coming, because if BlackRock is making a charge at this, I'm pretty sure it's safe to say BlackRock's going to launch the first approved Bitcoin spot ETF. But who knows? The jury's out. We'll have to wait and see when they make official announcements. Right now, it's all speculation based off of some sort of insider. So we'll wait and see. Until next time, crow your coins and enjoy the DCA opportunity. If you're not averaging in, well, now may be a good time to start looking at that, because boy, I'll tell you what, price is half of where I originally started dollar cost averaging, and I may be going in more here pretty soon. I love my Cardano. So to each their own. Until next time, crow your coins.